Well, if you're wondering what kind of weather we're having here in Fargo, here's a quick look. Ah, earlier we had a little bit of lightning. Don't know if we'll catch any right now. It's not a real earth shaker of a thunderstorm, just a lazy thunderstorm with rain. Switched hands. I think we mainly got rain this time around. I think I'm gonna have to move that barbecue in the garage or the shed. The way it looks, the weather's changing. It was too windy earlier today to barbecue, and then we had one rainstorm come through, flooded the streets. And this one here is just a light rainstorm, so the drain's caught up. Ah. Well, thanks for watching, and darn it, we missed all the thunder and lightning, but oh well, you got to see a little bit of North Dakota rain. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.